Hey guys, my name is Yan Sikorski. Today top 7 ideas for the next trading session. But first of all, like as usual, let's see how my previous ideas work out. Let's start with euro dollar. As I said yesterday, if euro dollar hold above 1.1220, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long, and first target will be 1.1260. As you can see, price hit my first target in this place. Another idea was in the pound USD, the same picture. As I said, if price hold above 1.2450, you can long this currency pair, first target 1.25. Another idea was in gold. I said yesterday, if price with an impulsive from breakout of this consolidation and hold above, you can long it, and first target will be 1765. As you can see, price almost hit my first target yesterday. Oil. In oil, I recommend you to wait how price will react for this consolidation. And as I said, if price was an impulsive from breakout of this of resistance of this consolidation and then hold above, you can long it. First target $41 per contract. As you can see, price hit my first target yesterday. Another idea was an Activision Blizzard. As I said, the price should hold above 76.50, and as you can see, price not held above this level. That's why this idea still work for today's session. If price hold above 76.50, you can long these stocks. In this case, the first target will be around $78 per share. Another idea in HOLX stocks. As you can see, price right now try to hold above important resistance level around 55.25. And that's why I can say this idea still work for today's session also. CDNS. In CDNS, I recommend you to short these stocks when price hold below $92 per share, but as you can see, price not held below this level. That's why no entry points. Well, right now let's move on to today's ideas. Let's start in euro dollar. In euro dollar right now, price inside important resistance level around 1.13. That's why it is pretty depends on how price will react to this level. I mean, if price hold above this level, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, the first target will be around 1.1340. But if price form false breakout of this level and hold below this level, it means it will be a good opportunity to take a short. In this case, the first target will be around 1.1260. Another idea in the pound USD. In the pound USD right now, price try to get a bounce from important level around 1.25. That's why you can short this currency pair. And the first target in this case will be around 1.2430. Canadian dollar. In Canadian dollar right now, price stay inside important range between 1.36 and 1.35. And try to get a bounce from support of this range. That's why you can long this currency pair, and in this case the first target will be around 1.36. Another scenario if price with an impulsive, let me show you, with an impulsive from breakout of support of these consolidations and pullback fractal, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short, and in this case your first target will be around 1.34. 1.34. Another idea in oil. Look at oil right now. Right now, price try to hold above important level around 40.50. That's why I expect the price get a bounce from this place to this place, and it will pretty depends on how price will react for this level. If price from fractal or reversal pattern from this level, you can long this instrument with the main idea of a breakout of this high around 41.50. And also another scenario here, if price with an impulsive from breakout of this level, hold below, just from false breakout of this level, you can short this instrument, and the first target in this case will be around $39 per contract. Another idea in advanced micro device stocks. Right now, price inside consolidation between 55.50 and $54 per share. And to be honest, I'm pretty bullish in these stocks. I'm pretty bullish in all markets. That's why I expect the price within impulsive from breakout of this level, then pullback, fractal. It will be a nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, the first target will be around $57.50 per share. Another idea in Biogen company. Biogen looks pretty interesting because if you look in a higher time frame right now, price stay in the range between 270 and 260. That's why the print depends on how price will react to this range, because if price within impulsive from breakout of resistance of this range, you can long these stocks. In this case, the first target will be around 285. If price within impulsive from breakout of support of this range and then pullback, fractal, you can short these stocks. In this case, the first target will be around $240 per share. Yeah, this is no guys. Another idea in CDNS stocks. CDNS on a previous session tried to hit all-time high and try to hold above $94 per share. That's why I recommend you long these stocks on the next trading session. In this case, the first target will be around $97 per share. Well, right now it's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video, guys.